In 2008, Samsung opened its first factory in Bac Ninh, Vietnam, for mobile phone production. At the time, Vietnam had little electronics manufacturing. By 2023, Samsung employed over 100,000 workers, accounting for 20% of Vietnam's export value. Their presence stimulated the development of a local supplier ecosystem, employing hundreds of thousands more. Samsung aimed to cut costs, not develop the local industry. However, local capacity grew as a result. Technology transfer is when skills, knowledge, and techniques are spread between firms or countries. Multinational corporations, MNCs, primarily facilitate this transfer due to their global technological knowledge. Transfer occurs through direct methods like training local workers or indirect methods like labor mobility. Workers trained by MNCs may bring skills to local firms. The impact of technology transfer is significant but uneven. Firms in host countries need absorptive capacity to learn from MNCs. Samsung discovered that Vietnamese manufacturers lacked the required engineering precision for electronics. It took years to develop local suppliers. Countries with better education and industries capture more technology, often leaving those in need behind. Politics complicates technology transfer. China's policy forces joint ventures with foreign firms and technology sharing as a business condition. Critics call this a forced transfer, which could help competitors. Korean firms in China strive to protect sensitive technology while meeting regulations. Samsung limits operations to older chips to safeguard cutting-edge technology. Technology transfer debate highlights a key MNC investment tension. Sharing valuable knowledge can compromise a competitive edge if it reaches rivals. Navigating this while maximizing benefits is crucial for industrial policy today. Discussion questions. 1. Samsung's investment led to significant technology spillovers. Compare Vietnam's long-term educational investments with Korea's technology absorption from Japan in the 1970s and 1980s. Policies allowed Korea to evolve into a competitive tech. Can Vietnam replicate these today? 2. Critics claim China's forced tech transfer policy is an issue for Western companies. Others suggest firms choose to enter China knowing these conditions. Which view is more accurate, especially considering market size? 3. To encourage spillovers, how would you design policy to maximize technology transfer while attracting MNC investment? Consider training requirements and public education investments. 4. Korea transitioned from being a tech importer in the 1970s to an exporter, owning valuable semiconductor patents. Facing pressure from China, is this competition inevitable, or are current dynamics distinctly different from past Korea-Japan interactions?